in my first video, we established that the Honda Vezel does have a factory alarm. The alarm's armed, and this is indicated by the flashing LED in the instrument cluster. We established that if I smashed a window and got into the vehicle and opened it with the internal door handle, that would set the alarm off. Obviously, smashing the window would not set the alarm off, but opening the door internally would do. My next question is, what happens if I unlock the door externally? So to do this in a non-destructive manner, I'm just going to take the blade key out of my remote control, insert that into the lock, and this is the emergency way to get into the vehicle anyway. Turn it anti-clockwise and open the door. The LED's gone off and the alarm's disarmed. So we established we can use a key in the door to disarm the alarm, but really, what sort of car thief is going to have a key? They're probably going to either get a screwdriver, do all sorts of damage to the lock and try and unlock it that way, or if they're a bit smarter, or they're a professional, they may have one of these. Now this is a Lishi pick. So, door's locked. And we'll get into some picking. That easy. Now I still need to unpick this to get the Lishi out, but you get an idea just how vulnerable your car is.